Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can train on chess.com. So let's get right into it. There are a couple of ways in which you can train. You can go into play and then actually train versus a computer, or play any of the variants and train by actually playing the game. However, there are other ways to train. For example, if you have the paid version and you can do it in an unlimited amount of times, you can train by going into puzzles, selecting whichever puzzle you want, and completing those puzzles, and they will teach you some certain parts of chess that you should need to know. Now, if I go to play puzzles now, as you can see, I am limited in the amount of puzzles as that I can play because I do need a premium version to go past the daily limit. However, you can play a certain amount of puzzles daily. You can also go into learn and you can go into lessons where you can very easily train chess from there. As you can see, you have your lessons over here set up for you, and you can also go into analysis and create a game so that you can play certain combinations if you want, or just play a game versus yourself. You can go to aim chess training, chess table, chessable courses, insights classroom. Even if somebody is holding some training for chess, you can join their classroom and pretty much just see what they do from there. And there's a lot of ways that you can do that. I just numbered some of them. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.